Okay, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mr. Man at the Picnic.
The picnics. Whether you're in the park or your own garden, all that matters is that you're enjoying your meal all around in nature. Of course, picnics are best enjoyed on a warm, sunny day, not a day like this one. Hold on to your hats out there, friends, cause a storm is coming to Dillydale. You see? We are not done with our picnic. So don't even think of going on a picnic on this dreadful weather. I see that we already packed our lunch. But let's go. But that was before I heard the weather forecast. When will we learn that weather people are wrong? Let's go. Thank goodness we pleased the clouds. I really don't think it's wise to go on a picnic during a storm. This is not a storm. Storms have wind, rain, and thunder. This is just a gentle summer breeze. I wish the swell in the breeze would go away so I would open this umbrella. We don't need that. There is no sound. There usually is no sound in the storm. For the last time, there is no. It is not a storm. More like a tiny swirling jet blowing down our necks. Did you hear that thunder? That's my stomach growling. Did you make sandwiches? Of course I made sandwiches. What kind of picnic would it be without sand in my sandwich? Stop complaining. I'm trying to enjoy my picnic. Can you please pass the carrot sticks? That's my foot. I said carrot sticks.
they join you? Come on, you got this, come on. Audience, can we get a round of applause? It's okay, it's alright. Oops, sorry. Where's mom? Only look at mom. Come on, let's hear it. Mom, look at you, Miss Squad. Okay, Miss Squad, see alright?
No, not really, I'm not into, socks per se, Mr. Messi.
Don't worry. Come on, cat. Don't worry. It's okay. Only look at me. Don't worry. I got my own thing. Come on. It's okay. Don't worry. I've been walking. I've been walking for hours in that hot sun. Tuna sandwich? Or would you prefer the sandwich in my sock? Show me sandwich in the sock, please. Show us a sandwich in the sock. And then Miss White says,
No, not really, I'm not into, socks per se, Mr. Messi.
and Mr. Messi, you say something. Come on. It's okay. Come on, try it. You say something. And Miss Noisy and Mr. Noisy enter.
Oh, I thought I was lost. Not anymore, Miss Quiet.
And they come forward. And Mr. Messi says, "Hiya, Mr. Noisy." Say hi to them. Miss White. Great to see you, fellas. Anita.
Great to see you, fellas. Mind if I join you here?
Miss White says,
Yes, I do.
Mr. Messi, be our guest. Be our guest. Would you like this stop?
Would you let us talk of my salary? This is the best picnic ever. Care to boogie, Miss Quiet? Let me think. No, I would not care to boogie.
Come on, Miss Quiet. Come on, Miss Quiet. Get up and get down. Do the dance. Okay, and they start singing.
Oh, McDonald, at the farm. And
And they get scared. Run. And the heads.
Right.
Miss Wonder, I'm only.
I'm only here because I won the contest and I never win good. Let's just eat and get this over with. Oh, we're not having a picnic here, Mr. Grumpy. Tell them, Mr. Nervous. Never more picnic or service.
Oh, we're not. Oh, we're not having a visit. And everybody get on the rocket? Is it anywhere?
3, 2, 1, blast off! Woohoo! Let's just eat our picnic and go home. I missed this wonderful astral shower. Hang on, everyone. Coming in for landing.
Did we just crash into the asteroid? And everyone's
Don't worry about it. Welcome to the moon.
Miss Happy. Eating our picnic.
Eating our picnic with these space helmets on is going to be quite tricky but wonderful. Uh-oh, looks like we were smashed by the asteroid shower.
You think?
I don't think my ship is going to fly again.
Everybody's surprised. Not fly. Mr.
Not
Nervous.
fly. I would get
How will we get back?
laughter.
Mr. Nervous, how will we get back? Don't worry, Mr. Nervous.
Don't worry, Mr. Nervous. Delivered Mission Control will send out a rescue team if we don't come back. Won't they, Mr. Devil? Yes, normally, but I didn't tell anyone I was coming up here today. So anyone wants to fill out, you know how it is? I named this a picnic spot.
Oh, all right.
Oh, all right. Let's get this thing over.
Sit down, everybody sit down on the picnic spot.
I'll pour the lemonade.
Before the lemonade.
Hello. I'm putting
Students,
and enjoy the outdoors. And who doesn't love a good sandwich? Behold my spooky picnic surprise. Time to have some fear to your feet.
Next to Miss Gabby.
Oh dear, it's Miss Scary. We were hoping for a peaceful picnic.
I thought we agreed.
I thought we agreed for a peaceful picnic.
And Miss Gabby puts her snakes. Miss Gabby plays a trick and puts her snakes.
No, Mr. Nervous and Miss Nervous. Let the surprise understand it. Miss Scary, that is not very considerate. Snake. Get it away, get it away. Can't you hear the spooky whispers on the haunted park?
Miss Gabby.
Miss Scary. Miss Scary, please, we were trying to have a peaceful picnic.
Goose? Miss Nervous. Goose?
Ghost?
I knew I should have stayed indoors.
I know I should stay indoors.
Say hello to my big buddy.
Say hello to your picnic buddy, Mr. Tan.
Miss Gabby.
Miss Scary, enough with the pranks.
I can't take this anymore. Miss Nervous, I can't take this anymore. My apologies, folks.
My apologies for that. I have carried away with spooky funbuster run. There's nothing.
What is that? Shake the hands.
Catch him.
And walk off.
Presenting the Gruffalo!
A mouse took a stroll to a deep dark wood. A fox saw the mouse and the mouse looked good. The fox is getting quite hungry. It wants a mouse for his tea. Look out, mouse! Look out, mouse!
Mouse come from.
And the fox said,
Where are you going to? Where are you going to, brown mouse? Come and have lunch in my underground house.
and the mouse said,
Yeah, it's very kind of you, fox, but no, I'm having lunch with a Gruffalo. A Gruffalo? What's a Gruffalo? A Gruffalo, why didn't you know? Has terrible tusks, and terrible claws, and terrible teeth, and has terrible jaws. Terrible tusks, terrible teeth, terrible jaws, and his terrible teeth, and his terrible jaws. Where are you missing? Here, I have this rock, and his favorite fox is roasted fox. Roasted fox, I'm a good battle mouse. On went the mouse to the deep dark wood. Owl saw the mouse and the mouse looked good. Where are you going to, little brown mouse? Come and have tea in my treetop house.
the mouse said, it's frightfully
Factory,
nice of you,
nice of you,
but
but no. I'm going to have tea with a Gruffalo. What's a Gruffalo?
mouse said, a Gruffalo?
A Gruffalo?
Why didn't you know?
Why did you know?
He has
He has wobbly knees, donut toes, and his paws in his bottom and over his nose. Wobbly knees, turned out toes, and a poisonous wart at the end of his nose. Where are you meeting him? Here by the stream. And his favorite food is ice cream. Ice cream. To him, to home. Goodbye, little On went the mouse through a deep dark wood. A snake saw the mouse and the mouse looked good.
crocodile said,
The crocodile said,
"Who is this creature with terrible
"Who is this creature with terrible teeth? It is terrible jaws."
frog?" Yes, terrible.
Teeth and terrible jaws and the terrible teeth and the terrible
Claws.
claws.
And
And terrible teeth and his terrible jaws. He has normally teeth and turned out toes.
poisons.
Poisonous word in the end of his nose.
His eyes.
His eyes are orange, his tongue is black, and he has purple prickles all over his back.
And the Gruffalo said, "My favorite."
My favorite food, you will taste good on a slice of bread. Don't forget the greatest creatures in this world.
Just walk.
It's what I am, and so you will get. Everyone is afraid of that. All right, you go ahead and I'll follow after.
They walked and walked.
They walked and walked till the Gruffalo said,
I hear
I hear hiss in the leaves ahead.
snake look at one. Oh, crumbs. Oh, crumbs. Snake. Oh, crumbs. Snake said, "Oh, crumbs, I say. Goodbye, little mouse." You see? Mouse said, you see? We told you so.
You see, we told you so.
Oh, amazing.
Amazing. Okay, let's go.
They walked and walked till the Gruffalo said,
They walked and walked till the Gruffalo said,
I hear.
I hear a hoot in the trees ahead.
Out.
Look at the Gruffalo. Oh no.
Oh dear.
Oh dear. Goodbye, neighbor.
You see.
You see? We told you so. Amazing. Okay, let's go.
They walked and walked till Gruffalo said,
They walked and walked till Gruffalo said, I hear feet in the path ahead. The fox took one look at the Gruffalo. Oh, help! Oh, crumbs. Oh no, it's a Gruffalo.
See? Well, Gruffalo, now you see. Well, Gruffalo, now
Well,
you see.
Gruffalo, now you can see everyone is afraid of us. And now that I'm starting crumble, our favorite food is Gruffalo crumble. Gruffalo crumble is time ahead. Goodbye, Linda. Quick as the wind blew,
Earn and fled.
and Aaron fled.
All was quiet in the deep dark wood. The mouse found a nut. The mouse found.
Nut, and the nut was good.
Were you listening? Were you listening? Do you know how mouse got rid of the Gruffalo?
Were you listening? Do you know how mouse got rid of the Gruffalo? He who has brains has nothing to fear. Listen closely and learn something today. This is the story about a silly woodland folk. We have added the odd song and the joke. So pay attention and concentrate well. The marvelous story we are going to tell. A mouse took a stroll to the deep dark wood. A fox saw the mouse and the mouse looked good. Fox is getting quite hungry. He wants a mouse for his tea. Fox is getting quite hungry. He wants a mouse for his tea. Look out, mouse. It's terribly kind of you, Fox. But no, I'm going to have tea with the Gruffalo. Gruffalo? What's the Gruffalo? The Gruffalo. Why didn't you know? He has terrible tusks and terrible claws and terrible teeth and a terrible jaws. Where are you meeting him? Here by these rocks, and his favorite food is roasted fox. Fox, I'm off. Goodbye, little mouse. And away Fox sped to his underground house. Silly old fox, doesn't he know there's no such thing as a Gruffalo? On went the mouse through the deep dark woods. A owl saw the mouse and the mouse looked good. Please allow me to introduce myself. I'm an owl who's old and wise, and my favorite food is tasty mice. And I make them into little pies. To meet you, hope you get my name, but your cousin is the teacher of my game. Who are you going to, little brown mouse? Come and have tea in my tree-top house. Wonderfully nice of you, Owl, but no, I'm going to have tea with the Gruffalo. A Gruffalo? What's a Gruffalo? A Gruffalo! Why didn't you know? Where are we meeting? Here by the stream, and his favorite food is owl ice cream. Owl ice cream? Goodbye, little mouse. saw the mouse and the mouse looked good. Snake by the water, looking for a mouse. Looks pretty hungry, don't go to his house. Where are you going to, little brown mouse? Come and have feast in my tree, in my log pile house. It's wonderfully nice of you, Snake, but no, I'm going to have tea with a Gruffalo. Gruffalo? What's a Gruffalo? Gruffalo, why didn't you know? He has orange. His eyes are orange, his tongue is black. He has purple prickles all over his back. Where are you meeting him? Here by this lake, and his favorite food is scrambled snake. Run, snake, it's time ahead. Goodbye, little mouse. And away, snake slid to her log pile house. Silly old snake, doesn't he know there's no such thing as a buffalo? Wild thing! You look so frightening. You make everything groovy. Wild thing! You look so big and hairy. But I want to find out more. Are you really that scary? I can trick you, that's for sure. But who is this creature with terrible claws and terrible teeth in his terrible jaws? He has no knees and turned out toes and a poisonous wart at the end of his nose. His eyes are orange, his tongue is black. He has purple prickles all over his back. Oh help! Oh no! It's
It's time to take your curtain call with your wonderful director, Mr. Dasha. Thank you guys for being an amazing audience. And Miss Nata's going to give you your certificate now. Whoop.
This is the other one.
Oh, sorry, wrong one. This is the. Sorry. Miss.
Alright, first we have Miss Uria! Kriya! Miss Dolly! Miss Sophie! Miss Arya!
Oh my God, before you get all covered up. Hold on. There you go. There you go.
Nidina! Gruffalo! Miss Tahira! Next we have Miss Naisha! Last but not the least, Miss Diona! You want to hold your certificates up to your bellies, everybody? Don't cover your face.
There you go. Show it off. Okay, guys. Time for the paparazzi to take the pictures, everybody. Guys, wait. Would you like to see some of the other Gruffalos on stage? Yeah. So we have a Gruffalo kid. Oh, the Mr. Men one. Okay. We'll have the Mr. Men kids up on stage. You guys just follow me. There you go. Come with me, guys.
Is Isha in the audience as well? Form a line, please. Okay. All right. Is everybody up? Okay. Mr. David! Good job. Akshay! Jay! My lovely Rutu! Miss Isha!
Wait, darling. Why don't you stand in a nice big line and we show everybody your certificates? We show them how proud you are.
Miss Adira!
Okay, darling.
Nidhi! Miss Kyra! Vanita! And Mr. Say hi! Hey, everybody, hold your certificates up to your bellies. You don't cover your face. Turn it around. And look at mom and dad and smile. Turn it around.
Okay. You all
Say
say
cheese.
say cheese. Awesome. Thank you, guys. And last but not the least, shall we have you all, please, you guys can clap for our exiting Mr. Men characters. And last but not least, we've got our last team of the Gruffalo. Wow.
Okay, let's go. First and foremost, my little owl, Michaelie. there. See? Say hi. Okay, next is someone singing song. Riyansha. Kiara! Look over there. Say hi. There you go. Mr. Kapoor! Yusuf the Snake! Yes! Om! Mr. Crocodile! And the Gruffalo Okay. Alright guys, thank you. There's one last show to go. Kids, quickly go backstage. Go. Mr. Yusuf, let's go. We've got one more show to go.
Yeah, one more show to go.
We've got one more show.
Alright, thank you so much.